everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about what is a vowel and what is a consonant. Okay, in English, there are 26 letters. In this, 5 letters are called vowel and rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. But what is the difference of vowels and consonants? That is only we are going to learn in this video. For that, first let us understand what is vowel. The vowels are these 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are called English vowels. Okay, vowels are basic speech sounds that articulated with open vocal tract. Vowels are basic speech sounds that are articulated with open vocal tract. Okay, let me make the sounds whether it is open vocal tract or closed vocal tract. Let us check. E sounds A, E sounds A, I sounds E, O sounds O, U sounds A. So while making this 5 letter sound, there is no intervention of lips, tongue, teeth, mouth. So these sounds are directly coming from the throat. That is called open vocal tract. Now let us learn what is consonants. Consonants are basic speech sounds articulated with a partially or completely closed vocal tract. So what is this partially or completely closed vocal tract? When you are making a single sound, single letter sound, either a lip or teeth movements will be involved. This is called a closed vocal tract. For example, we are making the sound D. D sounds D. While making this sound, our teeth and lips will touch each other. D. This is the sound of D. Our mouth will be partially closed and the teeth and lips will touch each other. So that's how the consonant sounds are made. Now let me see the difference between consonants and vowels. Vowels are basic speech sounds articulated with an open vocal tract. That's what we learned now. So consonants are basic speech sounds. It is articulated with partially or completely closed vocal tract. As we all know, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. There are about 20 vowel sounds in English. So what is the 20 vowel sound in English? So 5 vowels we all know. When there is a combination of 2 different vowels like A, E, U, E, I, E, O, E, E, then there itself another 5 vowel sound is added, such that there are different combination of vowels. So we will say 20 vowel sound in English and 24 consonant sounds. Some case the letters will give two sounds. G will have 2 sounds. One is G sound, one is G sound, and same C will have 2 different sounds, K and C. It is called soft and hard sounds. Vowels are the nucleus of syllable and consonants have to be linked with the vowel to form a syllable. So at times vowels will take a single syllable, but consonants will always depend on the syllable. Thank you.